Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious homemade Schezwan sauce. This sauce can be used while making fried rice, noodles, or even used as a dipping sauce. I'm going to show you step by step how to prepare it. So now let's begin. In a bowl, add 20 Kashmiri Dry Red Chillies. Add 1 bowl hot water and cover it and rest it for about 30 minutes until it becomes nice and soft. Then simply blend the dry red chilies, adding about 4 tablespoons water. Then simply blend it to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 4 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, and fry it for few seconds. Then add the chili paste and fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Let the chili paste nicely fry with ginger and garlic. Then add 1 cup water and give this a nice mix and allow it to boil. Then cover it and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 3 tablespoons white vinegar, half tablespoon dark soya sauce, 3 tablespoon tomato ketchup, four tablespoon sugar, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the sugar to nicely caramelize with chilies and all the other spices. Then add about 4 tablespoon oil and cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes until it gets nice and thick. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to cool it down completely. And there you have it guys, a delicious and fiery Schezwan sauce. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.